Hey guys, we are making some lip balm. It is layered lip balm, and it is from Just My Style right there.
And it's Emma again.
And it's Cody. And it is
Pekka.
Now we are gonna make some, but first we gotta show you guys what we've got. Alright.
We have a glass cup.
We have got some wax to make our lip balm.
And we got some glasses right here.
And we have got
These
spoon.
little beads thing. These little bead wax things.
We've got spoon to pick up the wax.
Yeah,
And a spatula and a
we have
cup.
these.
And we have got, for our flavors, we have got Very Berry, which is our purple.
And we got fruit chocolate fruit, which is
And
our
we have
yellow.
got, let's see, strawberry and lip shimmer.
It makes your lip balm shine.
Now, let's get some in. Alright. Okay, now let's get our little beads in and our wax. We are gonna make our video a bit faster by putting it in this glass cup because they give us a really little, what's it called? Container. So now let's put some in. So we gotta get in the little beads first.
Just fill all those in, no matter how much there is in.
Now let's put some in.
And we are gonna put that whole container in of wax. There's wax beads, there's wax that already has been melted, kind of.
It's not full melted yet.
It's like a gel kind of. So we got all our ingredients in.
And my mom is just gonna go and get some boiling water. We have just got the boiling water. Now we are gonna put our cup in and stir it until it is all liquid. Now let's get it in there. Stir and stir and stir. And this is really hot stuff, so it is really easy to get nice and melted. So we need our little beads melted.
And it's better than using the little tiny spoon and dipping our whole hand in the cup. We used a large size spoon. A normal one.
The pack thinks that we can actually stir with that, but we have some troubles with it. So it was a bit hard to be stirring, so we put it in the microwave
For 40 seconds.
40 seconds, and now we are gonna put our colors in, and then we are gonna put it in our lip chap bottles.
I have blue.
And I have orange.
And I have purple.
And now we are gonna get it in. So yeah, let's go. Okay, we have made a really big mess. Our mom came to the rescue and going to fix it. So
Like Superman.
yeah, there we go. So do you see that, guys? It is so messy. It is so droopy.
And mine. Wow.
You guys should look at Parker's. It's like all around the sides.
Mine
That
is
is so
the
horrible.
droopiest I ever seen in my life.
I really hope that yours will go way better than ours.
Way, way, way better.
So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. Thanks for watching.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.